my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so good. I am filming this on my phone because my camera is playing up for some reason and I don't know, so I just thought I'd film this on my phone. I'm just jumping on here to do a review of the Super Hydration Kit by Coco and Eve. It's this wonderful hair kit which contains their shampoo, conditioner, hair mask and 2 brushes. So one is for the conditioner and the mask and the other is for the shampoo. So without further ado, let's get into the video. That is what I was using. So shampoo, conditioner. I didn't use the hair mask in this video, but I have been using these products for about, I think, a month and a half now. I've been using the Coco and Eve hair mask for about 5 years. I am a super fan of their hair mask. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I do have a video from years ago that I filmed when I very first tried that video. When I very first tried that product, so I will link that above. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what is in the Super Hydration Kit. Obviously you get this amazing bag and it feels like that scuba diving fabric, you know, like that really thick waterproof type fabric, so great to travel with, which is, I really love that. And then I'm almost out, but we do have their shampoo and conditioner. You can tell I've used so much of this. I've been squishing the bottles. I literally have hardly anything left. I am obsessed with their shampoo and conditioner. Honestly, my hair feels amazing. So since obviously having my little boy, my hair got really thick during pregnancy and then it started falling out. And then I went through all these hormonal changes. So my hair kept going greasy and going really flaky. And then it lost its it lost its bounce. It just genuinely looked so unloved and scraggy, which you can see in the video because that clip was taken when I very first tried these products. And my hair was just horrendous, like it was so bad. But now, honestly, it's just so full of life. My hair, it feels so healthy, so clean. I use a shampoo and conditioner probably 3 times a week. I try not to wash my hair too much. 1, because I don't really get time, but 2, because I like to let my hair naturally kind of go oily and then I can wash it and I feel like my hair stays fresher for a lot longer when I do it that way. And then I use their hair mask. So I use the hair mask, let me show you, probably once a week, maybe on a Sunday. If not, I definitely do it on a Monday. So I try to do it at least once a week. A little goes a long way with this product. When I first bought it, I thought you'd scoop a load out, shove it on your hair. Actually, that's not the way forward. The way forward is to get an ample amount, but to really try and get it through your locks, but not use a ridiculous amount of product, because you're not really getting more benefit from using heaps and heaps of product. It's just more product for you to wash out. And then these are the 2 brushes, which I am honestly obsessed with. This is the brush you use for the shampoo and it really helps clean your scalp. So one thing that you'll get build up if you use a lot of product in your hair, like dry shampoo, hairspray, hair gel, anything like that, this is really great to kind of clean your scalp. As you can see in the video, I've been using this so much and honestly my hair feels so much better, but also my scalp feels so much cleaner and just lovely. And then the other one is this one, which is like a detangler brush, but you used to use this, oh, it's got hair in and a little bit of product in, gross. I used to use this just for the hair mask, but I actually found using this to brush through the conditioner is really nice as well. It helps to get rid of knots, helps to kind of evenly apply product in your hair, well, the conditioner in your hair and the hair mask in your hair. So fantastic. Honestly, I am obsessed. I'm so sad that I'm actually running out of my shampoo and conditioner, so I'm gonna have to buy another one. I'm also really excited because they've just launched a brand new hair mask, which I am really eager to try. It's to help with dry and damaged ends, where I can use a lot of heat in my hair, especially if I'm quickly having to blow dry my hair in the morning. Which I never used to do that. I used to just wash my hair at night and let it dry through the night. But with little man, honestly, everything changes. Or if I straighten my hair, if I put the curler through my hair, anything like that, honestly, it makes a massive difference. So I'm super excited to try that. But yeah, that is the Super Hydration Kit. Honestly, I am so obsessed with their hair products. The smell is incredible. They really work. They nourish, hydrate and condition your hair thoroughly. And I mean you can see the difference. You can see the difference from my hair here, my hair when I was just before I washed it. It was horrendous, like just a tatty mess, and now it's not. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.